Let's do this Leetcode SQL find customer referee. So in this SQL problem, we have ID, name, and referee ID for our columns of table customer. ID is the primary key column for our table. It's of type int. Each row of the table indicates the ID of a customer, their name, and the ID of the customer who referred them. So if think about it like you bought a Tesla and they have their referral program. You have someone, if we look at this example, who previously bought a Tesla, like Jane. And Alex used their referral, so the referee ID is referring to this ID. It's kind of how you would think about this. For future problems, this might be important, but for this one, it's not exactly too important. Let's look at the query it wants us to create. So we want to find the names of the customers. Let's start off with that. So we want to select, and this is going to be our customer names. So we're going to do name from, we only have one table, so let's do customer where, and the where is this next part. So find the names of the customers that are not referred by the customer with ID equal to 2. So to get the referred, we have to look at the referee ID. Referee ID. I think that's how we're going to pronounce it like that. Where the referee ID is not equal to 2. When we have where referee ID does not equal to 2, it's going to give us a problem. And the problem is, if we look at our output, we only have Zach, which is fine because our referred ID is 1. That's good. That's what we want. But we're missing Will, Jane, Bill, and Zach. Or we're missing Will, Bill, and Jane. So Will, Jane, and Bill, what is something they all have in common? Well, it's null. And just like it omits 2's, it automatically omits null values for our referee ID. So what we're going to have to include inside of our where, and this could be before or after, is a check for null. And we want this included. So also where our referee ID is, I'm going to do it in all caps, null, or the referee ID does not equal to 2. Either of these need to be included for our output to print properly. If we submit this, we'll pass our test. So that's how we would write this query for this SQL question. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And if you want more SQL, check out the playlist below the like.